Hi, my name is Trevor. I'm a professional Hydrosilex installer, and today we're going to be using Hydrosilex Marine to show you how easy it is to use on this 39-foot boat. So not only does this work for your plastic, your fiberglass, your vinyl, it also works for your stainless steel. Every application on your boat you could possibly think of. And this easy application stays on your boat and works for 4 to 6 months before you're going to have to do it again. Now, my pro tip to you is I'm going to use 2 rags today. One is going to be my contaminated rag, the other is going to be my drying rag. So after I spray and clean, I'm going to go in with my dry rag and just buff out everything that I just did, giving it that nice, shiny, clean look.